Okay guys, so I finally ordered something for the very first time from Nykaa, and what better time than Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Let's unbox this. I'm very excited because it's my first purchase from Nykaa. It's not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for it.